Hunter coming at you from the Backyard Bandits today. I'm gonna be changing the intercooler on this here ship box I got, Chevy Cobalt SS Turbo. Happened to pull on a curb 2 weeks ago and cracked the intercooler, so we got a new one in the house and we're gonna change her out for you today.
What's up there, Bubba? Oh, I should have brought my... I didn't know we had one bumper.
Supposedly, you gotta take the headlights out, but I'm not doing that.
What, to get the bumper off?
Yeah.
It don't make sense, or you would have to take the headlight out already. They go right to the headlight, you can see where they go to.
I'm not doing that.
Yeah, no. Shouldn't have to.
There's three of these on each side. And then there's two right here. Yeah, this is for that. And I'm gonna try to get another setup going, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. What I really need which I should have went to the garage and got it, is the impacting. Are these not supposed to come all the way out, or they just pop out? What, those black ones, they should screw out. They should come all the way out, buddy.
I got boots. Dad!
Oh, what did I say?
Fucking kids.
You got a supercharger on that one over there?
What? Oh, this ratchet?
Yeah.
I still got one more. I'm too long to get down by the tire.
Hey, I took a picture of it because I want to figure out who it is on the way here. There was a purple Acura, bro. Fucker was raw.
You're gonna go in that jack?
Body could have used quite a bit of work, but I mean, sounded good and it moved.
What, right here? Turn right where
I'm sure somebody in that group knows who the fuck it is.
I can't get
I'm
up.
sure. Here,
I could be in that
Clayton,
jack.
give me your socket.
Socket?
What was this? Right here? Oh. Yeah, right there. Let me see how I get up there now. We did this at Johnny's, so. Right? Let's get it on the island.
No, I need to wait.
Huh?
Carl, up to me.
Now you need a little one?
No, but I'm about to have to lay in this fucking puddle.
Nuh-uh. Here.
Pick those screws up and hand them to me. There's one right there by your hand. That was by your hand. Over. So you can do all the cameras?
Yeah.
I'll get it.
Alright.
Ready?
It's weird how they got them, but
10 milli?
yep. What? Hey, the boys are here. Did you just say Aunt Heaven?
Yeah.
That's what I thought. That's what I just asked Robbie that. I'm like, wait a minute.
You know,
Hey, Liam, who was that?
why is it always...
That's not gonna work.
Why?
It's gonna have to be a fucking North one. At least for that bottom one, put that clip.
I forget how we did it the first time. It's been so long.
Bro, I think we might have used a wrench.
No.
Look at how that clips in there. Try that one that's shallower, like on the end. You're getting these ones, right?
Yeah.
Well, that one, that clip, bro. Unless you hit it this way. I'm about to say, there ain't no sir. I know, I lay down first and then had to sit up. Carl, Liam, go to the car and get me a lighter.
Come on.
In the car?
Yeah, Liam, I'm ready.
Probably take that sack off there by hand now. What you got to do, Mom?
Ready?
Thanks, folks.
And
Coming up. My foot's stuck. This one.
So are you going to take this out then? I'll take that off if you can, right? And you're not going to see it.
I don't know, maybe.
know what I do? I take that off in it, so you don't need it.
Well, if I take that off, there's gonna be holes in it.
You fucking close them. Putty them bitches up with a little bit of fucking Bondo. Hit it with a black Sharpie. A little fucking nail polish. No, just Bondo it and match it. At least match the bumper for now. Yeah, my shoulder is fucked up. What? She grounded? No, bitch. Oh, that other one just popped right off. First off, you're missing the clip. You're missing the clip for it. Yeah, or it was never even in. That's why that's out. You can get it out of there. Because that's what it is. And that clip is nowhere near that motherfucker. That's why that motherfucker. Oh, there's one right here inside. What? A star? Ellen? No, that should come off. Oh, come off on this one. What's that for? That might have to come off. There ain't one out this one. This whole thing should cool right off.
That's what I was thinking. Hold on, let's unplug the square.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, just done that.
What the heck?
Making a derby car, boys. Mind your business. Alright, what do we need? 13. First, we gotta break the clamps.
Should be a 10, I think.
Ain't no way that's a fucking 10, bud.
Here, there's a 13. Oh, that? Yeah.
Oh. What's it?
Well, the 10's gone, dude. Give me an 11.
Where's the 10 go? Hold on.
Yeah, it's a 10.
Where did this one come?
Huh? It goes with that one or for the bumper.
Get that motherfucking grab the impact. What are we doing?
This one goes
The thing is MIA right now.
What thing?
The attachment?
Oh, to go to a fucking...
Yeah.
You fucking 12. At least you know you need a 10
Well, here. You take this for them with a 12 on it.
So you need a 10.
And give me that.
What's this for? These?
Yes.
No, that's for the clamp.
It's a 12.
Oh, I have what you said. They have doubles.
Yeah.
We only got to do one clamp though for the intercooler side. We don't got to do the other one. Huh? We only gotta do the front clamp for the intercooler. We ain't gotta do both.
So you got one on each side.
What are you doing, bud? I'd do these, drop the intercooler, put the new one in.
I gotta do brackets.
Oh, did you? They came with it? There you go. Can you put that back in the 12 spot? To the 11.5. Oh, what did I do with that bolt?
No.
Well, she got tight. Yeah, yours is spinning.
Say bye-bye to her.
Is your thing even on? What? The camera? It don't have a light on it? Oh, it is. Yeah, I don't know what I did to mine. I can't get them to function properly at the moment. The screens are completely locked, whether I shut them on or off. Even if I swap batteries, and it won't let me access nothing. So I don't know.
There should be a button on the side.
It won't even let me drag down and click the unlock button. Oh, not mine.
You ain't got a button?
Fuck no, I got a power button and start button. That's it. It's all touchscreen. Huh?
What bolt?
I'm trying to keep track of all your
This clam could be replaced.
Depending on what size it is, I got one.
What, she babysitting?
Yeah, Sammy's gotta go to the
Wedding rehearsal.
Did it come with
That was for us.
Did it come with the inside too? No, so we gotta use this one.
I don't have no.
Did it come with hardware? Bolts? I'm not sure. Throw that back over there. I need that.
Come over here.
That
Hey.
socket.
Hey. Hey, Edwin. Come here.
Oh my god, any other ratchet up there?
Come here.
Yeah, this one's right.
I don't know where the pieces are. They're in the pallet.
Yes, you got it. There it is.
Oh my god, I didn't see it.
Go down and up with it. I was able to tighten that bitch by hand. I was tightening it. It did. Oh yeah. That boy. A lot of water. Holy fuck. What is she doing like dog shit?
I don't think it's supposed to do that.
No, that's just some white coolant, you guys. We're good. A little bit of JB Weld on that bad,
Supposed to be
John.
that way.
Hey, a little bit of JB Weld on that bad, John, and it'll be a brand new intercooler for race day, you know?
What are you doing?
Oh yeah, that bit. Holy fuck, it's
All the way
flew over
down.
there. I wonder if it was because this hanging. that weight.
I don't know, can I say hi to you?
The new one got that on there too?
What?
Nope. Really?
Hi, Basie May.
Why are you here? She said no. I said, is that your Uncle Robbie? She said, shoe? Okay, she wants to bite. Oh, you have a good one in your... Oh, no, that's orange. Oh, like it. Wear the one she gave me. Wear one. I don't think I have a purple shirt. Well. Oh, that's recorded. Why?
Because I can. Oh, that's more fucking pliers, bro. So I left that in there. You better check it from my way 6 inches. Right there. Only these two in the middle.
No, it's one on each side. But
Not
you're
gonna
gonna have to
fit.
flip it. You gotta flip these.
Yeah, to go
And
longer.
then we're gonna have to put these spacers up here, I think.
I spent $2,000 on my boat with her.
From 11 to 12.
It's a shit box. It doesn't even run.
Yeah, it does.
It runs now.
No, them gotta be there.
The black ones? Yeah,
So
right.
let's leave them there.
And then just flip these to go right in that. Oh, you left these in there, right?
You can have that one.
I got enough for that time. Alright, so you might need my brackets and your brackets. See how they're fit?
Carl!
They're on.
I'll show you something that I dropped down after you get your shoes.
Get his shoes.
Yeah, he brought shoes.
What's he in?
Boots right now?
Stay in your boots. What are you doing?
Definitely stay in the boots, bub.
Oh, shit.
Chop that out. No, check this out. Come here. Here, Carl. Oh!
How do they say it? Aluminum? It's lightweight metal.
You gonna see if she makes some boots after this?
Well, one way to do it, right?
I never knew you could do that.
What?
Fucking paint them bitches, man. It's nice to know.
Yeah, I
that.
should have did it lower.
What, that was ZZP?
Yeah.
Should have fitted it and then
Yeah.
did it on the.
Oh well, you live and you learn.
It's the only way you learn. Hold on.
You live and you learn, bub.
These shoes are stiff.
there a lighter on the side of you?
No.
No, but I got one if you need
I
it.
had a fucking, I think, gray or something with me. Yeah, because how the tape was around it last night, I'm like, what the fuck? Where's CCZZ at? Like, that's where I'm like, what the fuck brand's IP? Alright, let's put it together, Bob.
Not the last one.
Okay, look. Put it in there. Alright, so these brackets are a little off.
Oh, I just hit myself in the face.
They're off.
Maybe we had it right the first time. Yours goes on your side. Okay, let's try it.
They're straight though, so.
Yeah, but one weight or crooked.
You know what we do then? We just plug the nugget them bitches in a bit.
It is aluminum.
Right, okay.
This is it. I have one already.
What's that?
Right, dark green.
Sure. You're gonna have to go once. They gotta allow it if you want them up by more than 1 volt.
Screwed up, dude. Got me all screwed up.
Johnny's like, why the fuck do you need a banner now? He's like, I need a bunch of shit, bro. Stop slacking, get this shit cut.
He's supposed to have me one made, built, not bought. Yeah.
I know, I don't even think he started my last order I gave him. 100 of the bigs, 50 of the smalls.
I want to do the doors kind of like his car, but
With decals,
yeah.
That's right. That's how I want that. I did it to, I might have did it to the GTI too a little bit. Yeah, see there it is. We were right. Put her on.
It's car, but they're not.
So where's... I'm taking my plug off.
Well, yeah, just wait, you know, buddy.
I'll say hello. Are you started in one? I mean, that 10? Probably should have put that one. At least it's not grabbing the tight.
Yeah.
Yeah, shit. Like you said, live and learn, right? Now.
If you don't know, now you know. Yeah.
This coupler on this intercooler is so much bigger.
Yeah.
I gotta hold on.
You know what it's like? It's like a non-kitty, dude. Hi.
Yeah, you can. Just gotta put it's not for kids.
Maybe throw me that flathead screwdriver. Never mind. It's right.
I've only been flagged once on mine, and that's because of fucking music override shit, copyright.
Yeah. Okay. That's fine. Let me see the loosener tool. We need to check transmission fluid while we're under here.
What on this? Oh, where'd you get on
Baby, it says the camera battery's low.
Camera battery's low already.
Well, it says you're low mode, but I think it counts as camera too.
Grab me a little.
This joint's like
Go hit the torch, heat it up.
it's gonna take too long, dude.
Like I said, go get the torch, heat it up. Heat up the inside of it, it'll slip right on there.
It's the clamp, old buddy.
Alright, here. Crack the fucking front.
What? What's yours giving you a hard time?
Oh yeah, it's the hard type on this one, just with a little coupler.
Uh-huh. It's just these over here.
So I'm gonna undo this side and move.
Memorial Day is Monday, and I don't think anybody's gonna be on the way.
Oh, you'll be surprised.
I have 2 parades Memorial Day. Wait, you should go to Edinburgh and Deerfield.
Monday I'll be in Elaria working, and then when I get off, going back to Elaria, a car meet. Yep. Holy shit, this clamp's gotta open hard, dude. I got mine on. Undo that more and push that clamp all the way back there.
I can't, it's tied in the hose, remember?
Oh.
I should have WD-40 that motherfucker. But then it probably wouldn't have stayed on.
Should I wait to do this tighten this one then? Because this one I could get on and wrong.
Oh, it don't matter, you can tighten it up. I don't care.
That sounds like a motorcycle.
Nah, it's a jet ski, bro.
No, it ain't. How could jet skis ride on land?
That's the seaboard.
Paul said I got a point.
Oh, yeah. That's fucking.
Hey, where?
So,
Yeah.
to get on the other side, enough to put the clamp on it, it's touching that part. not enough to hold the clear.
Not past the bevel, you mean?
Not at all. I'm
How
like
much
right on the
hose
middle.
is on the
This part?
of the hard pipe? Can you loosen the clamp on the hard pipe and move the hose forward and tighten it back down?
I got that much room. This side's touching the edge, but on the other side, I probably only got like. Touches right in the middle, man. We need like another ½ inch of this bitch. That's why I said we're gonna have to hold it while the other clamps that motherfucker, I guess.
Have to tighten it down. That's up good. Yeah, bitch. I told you it's like a Dutch kitty, dude. That should be good. Fast, right?
Oh my god, you gotta take it off?
Yeah. Yeah. That's what I said, bro.
You might want to up too, like, I was gonna say spin that a little bit. I'd go out with it. So you're right under. Lefty tighty, righty loosey. Talk about his clearance.
Hi, Paisley Bay. Alright, so
Oh, you smoke like the whole thing.
Hey! Sheep here, white or black? Well, there's a shit ton of options for white. There ain't really shit for black that's cheaper. How many 6-foot sections did you say?
22. 22.